have multiple projects that needs to finish in time, otherwise I lose all my clients. And what should I do to speed up my process to complete all the video in time? So here are a few tips to help your video to edit efficiently and quickly. Number 1, when you're working on the multiple project and you have multiple folders, then you need to check the content. So you double click one of the folder and it gives you a new tab. As a result of this process, you get multiple tabs open in your project, all of which you have to manually close one at a time. Since I have a solution, go to the general, double click here and choose open in place to ensure that every time you open a folder, it will open in the same tab. You can also return to the main folder clicking on the back button here. Number 2, whenever you have lot of clips in your project, but your screen isn't big enough for the thumbnail preview, but you can't tell which one you saw in which videos, then you search every clip to search that particular scene. To avoid using it, go to the project, right click and choose the preview area. Then whenever you want to see something, just drag that bar and click the camera icon to get a thumbnail. By this process you won't forget this time and will save a lot of time. Now in the project we fail to adjust our music with respect to our audio or dug our music. To solve this problem, we already have preset. Go to the essential sound panel with the select of music, click on the music here and now check the ducking option, then adjust your duck amount and hit generate keyframe. And you got to see the magic, it automatically adjusts your music with respect to your audio. Speaking of music, sometimes client asks for the music which needs to come out from the car. For that, go to the parameter equalizer and click on the low pass filter and decrease the volume of low pass filter and you get this sound. And my last and very useful, learn to use keyboard software which helps you to save many times. Do not use the icon here, just learn the basic keyboard shortcut like C for cut, V for the arrow, use plus and minus to zoom in and out, and R for slowing or fast the video process, and many more. If you made a habit to use these few shortcut key, and I will definitely tell you, you can see the speed up process in your editing. Despite having all this thing, there is some mistake we always make. And what are the mistakes we are doing? Watch this video. Bye bye guys.